Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hi Rakesh, welcome to eTimes TV.
Pleasure.
And Rakesh, we have been missing you on Hindi television. It's so good to see you back. कितना time लग गया और इतना time क्यों लग गया?
There's always that time की जरूरत होती है ना, time पे जब चीजें होती है बराबर तो सही होती है. So I think the moment had to come and it's come now. So in a big way,
Yeah.
a big boss way rather.
Yeah, but you know हम आपका नाम काफी सालों से सुनते आ रहे हैं, बिग बॉस से एसोसिएटेड होता हुआ. हर ईयर हमें सुनाई देता है कि राकेश को शो ऑफर हुआ है. What made you say yes this time?
I think I never spoke to the team before when it was offered to me, but now I think I spoke to all of them collectively, and I really love them. I think the whole team, entire setup, the whole team, people working behind the cameras, they're fantastic people, very warm people. So I like to work with people I get along with. The vibe is correct, and it definitely gives me that impetus to forge ahead if the team and the whole vibe is correct. You know, so that was a strong point that I had to decide, which took me to the point of decision to be in the show. And secondly, the pandemic has changed a lot of things for all of us. And we have so-called learned to be Atmanirbhar, and we have started doing our own. We've learned so much to take care of ourselves in the face of adversity. The mind basically is very what do you say? It's something which is what do you say? The mental issues, the mental health, and all that has to be concentrated on.
Yeah.
And which has made me little more in tune with what Big Boss House is. You know, the philosophy behind it, because it is about the mindset. It is about the play of the mind that is going to be in the forefront always. So I have learned that, obviously training my mind and making it stronger to face anything. And everybody, I think, has gone through that Big Boss setup of you know, like it's a smaller Big Boss you're talking in the show as a show. The bigger Big Boss was the life outside, you know. So
the lockdown,
the lockdown. So we have become quite evolved and better understanding of the situations around us, and somewhere we know exactly where we are heading and what is life going to be ahead, and probably it's going to you have to keep your sanity intact, you know. So that's what I think was a major reason for me to decide whether I can do this show or not.
Yeah. And also, you know, as you're talking about lockdown and you know how it has prepared all of us to stay inside the house, जो हम चार दीवारी में कभी नहीं रहते थे, हमें आदत थी बाहर निकलने की. लॉकडाउन ने सबको सिखा दिया, नो यू हैव टू स्टे होम. और उसी लॉकडाउन में काफी चीजों से हम गुजरे हैं इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे, चाहे वो फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस की बात हो या फिर यू नो इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन की बात हो, मेंटल हेल्थ की बात हो. हाउ वाज लॉकडाउन फॉर यू? हाउ हैज इट ट्रीटेड यू? क्या आपने भी फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज से यू नो आप गुजरे हैं, क्राइसिस से गुजरे हैं? क्योंकि हर बड़े एक्टर की बात कर लो, छोटे एक्टर की बात कर लो या आम इंसान की बात कर लो, हर एक को कहीं ना कहीं अपना टू डू लिस्ट बनाना पड़ा लॉकडाउन में कि यू नो नहीं, हमें इतने में गुजारा करना काफी है, यू नो वी डोंट नीड लैविश एंड फैंसी थिंग्स. तो क्या आपने भी उस यू नो फेज से आप भी गुजरे?
Fortunately, इतना नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ, but I have seen people a lot who have been going through this, and I have been fortunate enough to lend them my help whoever needed me. But I have seen a lot of worse situations, and it was painful to watch people going through that. It was really heartbreaking.
Yeah.
So many of my near and dear ones I've lost too, and it's taken a lot of toll. Maybe I get goosebumps when I think of something like that, you know. So yes, I mean, there were few fortunate enough who were blessed that could take care of themselves, but people who were fortunate enough to be taking care of themselves could help others, and that was the really great part about it. So I was glad that I was there for people when they needed me, and I hope this happens tomorrow. If something like this happens, you know, we should always stand up and take care of people around us at least,
Yeah.
whoever is in need, So I hope this continues in the future, and that's what this is one good thing that this pandemic has taught us, is to be united in crises. So that was something which was a very good learning experience.
And when we talk about Bigg Boss, जो चीजें हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले आती है वो है एक तो लड़ाई. People, there are some contestants every year who like to stay in news because of the fights. But जैसे हम राकेश को जानते हैं, हमें पता है कि राकेश बहुत प्राइवेट लाइफ रहते हैं, उनको न्यूज में रहना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. So how are you going to deal with contestants who are there on your face, poking you and instigating you?
Actually, see, I have to be strong enough to change others, around me. I cannot be influenced by others, and that's what the strength of a character यहाँ पे आती है, कि तुम कितने strong, तुम्हारी कितनी strength है कि तुम किसी भी situation में अगर मुड़ गए, झुक गए, तो it is always when you bend, people can climb on your back. So don't let your back break, don't bend, there's no point doing that. So if you want your interest to be protected as a person, you should be protected. It should be something which is you have to take care of yourself first. Be confident within yourself that nobody can misuse you or take you for granted. So the strength has to come from within. So I'm not looking forward. I'm very sure that if anybody does anything, कुछ भी बोल दे मुझे, कुछ भी हो जाए, जब तक मैं अंदर से पीसफुल हूँ और जब तक मैं कन्विंस हूँ, मुझे कोई हिला नहीं सकता. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द स्ट्रेटजी दैट आई वुड प्रोबब्ली हैव. एंड एक तो मैं शांत हुई, एक मेडिटेटिव मोड में ही रहता हूँ हमेशा, पर शायद यहाँ पे एग्रीवेट होऊंगा मैं, पर वो भी एक पहलू शायद देखने मिलेगा.
पर वो अपने आप को कन्विंस करना कितना आसान या कितना मुश्किल रहा कि जिस राकेश को लोग जानते हैं, फैंस जानते हैं, वो हमेशा जानते हैं कि वो नॉन न्यूज़ी पर्सन है, वो अपना काम करता है, आता है, अपने काम से लोगों को प्रभावित करता है और वो चला जाता है फिर वो अपने मोड में. लेकिन मैं जब बिग बॉस में रहूंगा, मैं 24 घंटे लोगों को दिखूंगा और यहाँ पे काफी सारे ऐसे सिचुएशन आएंगे जहाँ पे हर इंसान में वो कहते हैं ना, एक एग्रेसिव साइड होता है. कोई दिखाता है, कोई नहीं दिखाता है. और जब आप बिग बॉस जैसा शो करते हैं तो वो कभी ना कभी दिख ही जाता है. और अगर स्पेशली वैसे कंटेस्टेंट्स आपको मिल गए तो क्या अपने आप को कन्विंस करना मुश्किल रहा कि वो पहलू भी ऑडियंस को दिख जाएगा?
See, in a show like this, जब मैंने हाँ कहा इस शो के लिए, तो ऑब्वियसली ये सोचा था मैंने कि ये सब होने वाला है. सारे एस्पेक्ट जो है वो ह्यूमन लेवल पे तो सब सारे दिखने वाले हैं
जी.
बट आप किस तरीके से दिखाओगे, मतलब तुम कितने कन्विंसिंग, तुम फॉल्सूड अगर दिखाओगे तो वो फॉल्सूड तुम्हारा पकड़ा जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
तुम अगर सच दिखाओगे, तुम्हारा सच जो है, जो कन्विंसिंग सच है, जो I don't like to I stand against injustice. I stand against women who are ill-treated. I'm not like that. So I'm going to stand for the things which I believe in and which are right. That's what is my stand. I'm not going to shift from that ever. I'm not doing this show to win the trophy. I'm not doing this show for anything of that sort. I'm going there for an experience. I want to have a good time. I want to give Bigg Boss whatever I can offer. As a person, as a sensible, as a sane person, whatever I can achieve, whatever I can offer to the contestants or the overall audience that watches Bigg Boss. So for me, that is most important, that I be myself, be honest, and portray the way I am to a level that people believe in what I say or do. I have to be convinced. I have to be true to myself first for the audience to get convinced. So I'm going to do that completely. Emotions, तो वो अगर तुम पकड़ के चलो तो जो emotions होंगे वो तो होंगे, मतलब आपको दिखाई तो देने ही वाला है सब कुछ, पर जो भी आप देखोगे एक honesty की जगह से आने वाला.
It won't be fake.
Yes, it's maturity. 20 साल इंडस्ट्री में गुजारने का थोड़ी तो maturity होती है, या तो there is certain goals that you do and you don't actually look at the goals, you look at the journey, which is most important. So I want to concentrate most on the journey than what I'm supposed to achieve. ये करने के बाद मुझे ये ट्रॉफी मिलेगी, तो वैसा कुछ नहीं है मेरा गेम प्लान।
एंड क्या आपने प्रीवियस सीजन्स देखे हैं, आपको किसकी जर्नी बहुत इंस्पायरिंग या अच्छी लगी है?
मैंने ऑनेस्टली मैं रियलिटी शोज देखता नहीं, ऑनेस्टली इट्स नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज बिग बॉस है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मैं कभी भी आई एम नॉट अ रियलिटी शो फैन, that's why I've not watched any kind of reality, so I've not watched Big Boss also, obviously that. I just I don't want to watch it now also, is because I don't want to go with a preconceived notion that you know कि ये देखने के बाद मैं कुछ ऐसे मैं स्ट्रेटजी ऐसे करूंगा या ये टास्क होने वाले। See, the biggest thing is that I want to take it as a surprise. I want to like see the newness of it, और जो सरप्राइज शायद मेरे फेस पे देखेगा वही शायद लोगों को इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा, you know. So I want to be completely naked in my head about how things are going to unfold, you know. So I want to just keep it completely virgin that.
And also, how comfortable are you when it comes to doing household chores?
I have
तो उससे बहुत लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं।
I have an OCD, maximum OCD, because I don't like unhygienic places or unclean people or whatever, you know. So it's going to be a task for me, because अगर किसी ने नहीं किया तो मैं शायद खुद लग जाऊंगा करने का। Yeah, it is going to be. Cooking is something which I don't know. I know the basics, but my mom just send me prepare a little bit of वो क्या कुकर कैसे लगाते हैं और दाल कैसे बनाते हैं, नॉर्मल जो बेसिक चीजें होती है वो सीख।
चाय कैसे बना लेते हैं, हाँ
वो तो आती है, चाय वाय उतना तो आता है, दैट इज बेसिक, इतना भी गया गुजरा नहीं है। So it was, yeah, so I've learned all that. So I think cooking is not something I would probably, but cleaning, yes, I mean cleaning is, I'm a master in cleaning, so I would do it.
And which are the things you are not comfortable sharing with others, you know, because आप बिग बॉस के घर में रहेंगे तो बेड से लेकर टॉयलेट बाथरूम तक लोगों के साथ शेयर करना पड़ता है, तो जैसे आपको ओसीडी प्रॉब्लम है तो कौन सी चीजों पे आपको दिक्कत होने वाली है?
टॉयलेट तो होगी obviously, because you're not never used a public toilet ever. Cleanliness, yeah, I mean it's like बर्तन धोने clean होने चाहिए एकदम. So all those things are like very tough, and even sharing a bed with anybody is it's with a new person is difficult. So it's going to be difficult, but I'll get used to it.
And yeah, and Karan Johar is hosting the show this time. You know, how excited are you?
I am excited because he's a very different person. He'll give a different take to the show, completely a new take. Also, it's OTT. It's going to have a lot of colors. It's going to have a lot of laughter, I think. I think we're going to roll down the chairs, our seats, when we interact with him. So it's going to be different. I mean, different than what Salman Bhai used to do. So I think it's
new take.
New thing. OTT.
Yeah.
As they say.
Yeah. So राकेश, मुझे जैसे मैंने शुरुआत किया था इस इंटरव्यू का, मुझे जानना है कि what kept you away from हिंदी टीवी स्क्रीन? मराठी में तो आपने फिर भी काम किया, लेकिन हिंदी में हमने आपको ज्यादा देखा नहीं, क्या वजह थी? Was it the scripts, or what you wanted to take time off? What was the reason?
I think maybe the scripts. I was not happy with the kind of work I was getting, and somewhere I got little because I like doing different things, not just acting. Acting is passion, yes, but apart from acting, I have different passions as well in life. So it definitely took me to Pune, because I have my business. I've started my own shoemaking company now.
Wow.
I learned how to make shoes now. I make handmade shoes, customized shoes for people now. So uske under abhi hum homemade leather goods bana rahe, which is very good, which is taking off very well. That's one business that I have, and basically paintings and sculpting, and we have other family businesses as well. So I've been at it. So that's why my focus was, I don't want to run behind work. Let the work improve, then I would get back. Let better scripts come and let better opportunities come. So I was not in any rush to do a die situation, luckily, by God's grace. So I was waiting for the right script, and that's why I took a sabbatical, because मन से अगर नहीं कुछ चीज अच्छी लगती तो मैं नहीं करता हूँ, मुझे अच्छा ही लगता है. So that's why I want to be honest to my craft. So I wanted to just reboot myself, recharge myself, and that's why.
बिफोर रैपिंग अप, आपने इंडस्ट्री में, टीवी इंडस्ट्री से ऋत्विक हो चाहे करण वाही हो, आपने उनको गणपति बप्पा आप खुद अपने एवरी ईयर आप खुद अपने हाथों से बनाते हैं, आपने उनको भी सिखाया है थोड़ा बहुत, उनका क्या रिएक्शन रहा, आपके क्लोज फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली का क्या रिएक्शन रहा व्हेन यू told them that you are taking Bigg Boss OTT?
I'll tell you, nobody knows about me doing Bigg Boss.
Oh,
None of
okay.
my friends know, because that's a surprise again. My family knows, and not beyond my family, nobody knows about it. So when they get to know, it'll be a shock. It'll be like, what the hell, Rakesh is doing it. Like, they never thought that I would be a person who would ever step into that house ever. So yeah, I mean, let's see the reaction. I'm waiting to see the reaction.
And family का क्या reaction रहा?
Family का reaction तो बहुत अच्छा था. They thought that I would not be able to do it, but they said, but immediately they said you should do it, because it's time for you should do it, because you'll be in the public eye as well, you've been long away from that. And also they didn't know the time span, because अभी तो time भी ज़्यादा है उसमें, so they were worried कि कैसे कर पाएगा, but they were okay, they were happy. I mean, they said you always try different things, so this is the best thing that you can try probably.
Yeah. Any message to fans who will be watching you on Bigg Boss OTT?
I've always told people, since Tumbin, it's been 20 years that you have been giving me the love and support, and since Tumbin completed 20 years, and luckily this opportunity came during the same time, and the love and adulation that I've been getting always, it's overwhelming. It's so heartwarming. I felt the burden sometimes, how to return the love back. But Tumbin Jiya Jai song, it was just a song before, but now I really think it is the real meaning of the song. Is like I won't be able to live without the support of my audience and my fans. So your support is really valuable this time, because in this journey especially, where I never thought that I would ever land, I would need your support definitely. Please keep the support on.
Thank you so much, Rakesh, and all the best for the show.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Thanks. Bye. Take care.
Yes, you too. Bye-bye.